Got like 2 units here.
Doors locked?
Yeah, it's locked.
Do you have to call or what?
Yep.
So Slo's on the call box there, trying to get their attention for service.
Oh, are you guys open for public records requests? I'm at the 3510, 3500 Harris Gray Road. No, I don't have a pen on me. Alright, so they're probably at lunch then? Okay. Alright, thank you. So she said the lobby's usually open, but they might be out for lunch right now. It's 12:30. It kind of makes.
Probably went to lunch at 12:30 and then you didn't get back till 1:30.
Like 1:30. Dang.
Or they're lying.
Yeah.
Why are you guys taking a picture of my car?
What happened?
Why are you guys taking a picture of my car? Why are you taking a picture of my car?
Hey! She just grabbed my camera.
Why are you taking a picture of my car?
Hey, if you touch me again,
It doesn't matter. Why are you taking?
that's assault. Do not touch you. Put your hands on
It's
people. You just touched my
also-
camera.
property
She's
again.
touching my camera. Look at this.
Hey,
that's battery.
Look what you did.
illegal to
That's
take a
battery.
picture of
Look what you
somebody's
did. No, it's
car.
not illegal.
Okay.
Hey, that's assault. That's assault. Look at this. That's battery.
Illegal to
That's
take
battery.
a picture of somebody's
No, it's
car.
not illegal.
Okay. Whatever.
It's not illegal.
Grab my
We're
camera.
in public.
Really?
We're standing on a public sidewalk.
Hey, we need to report assault.
We just need to report a battery. That lady just came up to touch my son.
What happened?
I don't know. What happened, RJ?
She opened the gate, grabbed my camera, yanked it forward. Look at it, it's still bent for you. You have, you guys have IDs?
You don't need an ID.
Okay, I can't take a report from somebody if I don't know who the victim is.
You could put good citizen on the report.
Okay. The unfortunate part.
I have it on camera, dude.
Okay, can I see it?
Yeah. Well, no, you can't because I'm recording right now.
Okay.
But
Can we just get her name so we can write
I
it
need
on
her
the
name and I need her badge number if she's a police officer,
not a police officer.
or ID number.
She doesn't have an ID.
I want her name, her full name. I have everything on camera.
phone? He's a negotiator.
Can't go around putting your hands on people, lady. She grabbed my camera too. I came over to protect my kid, and then she
Really?
put her hand up and like grabbed my camera, and then she put it in front of the lens. Like she's like, you can't go around taking pictures of the car. Yeah, she can't just be putting her hands on people.
They should know better by now. It's 2021. Man.
It looks like they're not gonna come back out. Five.
What'd they say on the phone?
I didn't get on it yet.
No?
I'm gonna go get on it though, because they're not coming out.
This is a tactic. They're gonna make you wait
And
and
they
wait
think that
until
we're
you
gonna just
leave.
go, yeah.
Right. It's a tactic.
Guys,
How's it going?
take some pictures? Alright, have a good one.
One of your employees put hands on us.
We have tyrants in there that are failing to identify. They assaulted us and they don't want to come back out.
One of your employees put hands on us. Video's going up, guys. Public accountability.
They don't even look at you.
No.
Fuck a shame.
I want to say, is there any good cops here? But they all should be good. guys all representing tyranny or what? Got any good cops? I want to say if there's any good ones, but they all should be good.
Dang.
I don't want her name. I'll give you my name. I won't give you hers.
Why
Can you
not?
have her come out here then? I won't have her come out. Okay, so you're refusing the report? You're dismissed. Thank you, sir.
Hold on, wait.
What's up?
Why won't you give us her name?
Because I don't know who you are, because you won't give me your name.
She didn't know who I was.
He
She
doesn't
took
want
him
to
up
file
and
criminal
grabbed my
charges.
stuff.
With that being said, there's no need for it.
So there's no need, even though she put hands on him, there's no need for us to. We want to file a complaint on her.
And I'm absolutely.
How are we supposed to do that?
I'm absolutely here to take a report, but he won't give me his.
Not a report. We want to file a complaint
Complaint with who?
So
with
you want
the sheriff's department on your employee.
She's not employed with the sheriff's department.
She's not employed with the sheriff's
Fire
department.
department? What's
I'm
going
going.
on?
You guys don't report, I'm out.
Shitty cop. You ain't negotiating shit. That's the negotiator? Wow. Well, that's BS. And they're clearly not at lunch.
Last look at her car real
Yeah.
fast.
Get the VIN.
Sheriff station parking lot. Anything that's in this parking lot is going to be in my frame.
Got the VIN number.
She says, like the sheriff's.
What do you guys think?
That's pretty sad, dude.
Yeah. Very sad.
At least the last, did he? Yep. The last sheriff, the deputy that just walked by that just got on duty or something. He did identify himself, I guess. Got another duty.
Well, at least we all know what this tyrant drives. We can be on the lookout for that. And everybody's gonna see the video, so
Ready, guys?
There you have it.
yeah. Be on the lookout for the person that drives this. She might put her hands on you.
She might try a road rage on you or something. She might jump out of her car and try to put hands on you.
Yep.
Pull out in front of her. Garrow substation, guys. Here on, I don't know, I think this is
Harris Grade and I think Mission Hills.
Mission Hills. There you have it, guys.
Good old Confederate flag.